When I came into Shining Globes, they taught us different things like baking, tailoring, and the engineering aspects. But I moved into the engineering course because I have passion for it. I just like it.
From the start, I felt she cannot do it because even men, they hardly do it. But she persisted. She insisted doing it. And I saw what she was doing. It was amazing to me. So now I support her. I encourage her to do it.
The first thing I created was a doorbell, then a sorting game. Then I also assembled a mobile phone that is being sent to us from the Circuit Mess company. And Circuit Mess makes me to have the courage that I can do better. I used to look at it as something that is hard, but when I get into it, I realize that if you focus, nothing is going to be hard for you. Now I would like to study an engineering course so that me too, one day I can invent something that other people will use.
I don't have the capacity to train her to university by now, except by God's grace.
Sometimes if I would think of studying engineering, it's something good, I like it, but sometimes the way I see the condition of my family, they don't have the fund to sponsor me into this. That makes me not to even think of it again. I'm saying thank you to Shining Globes Club for making me to know the importance of these engineering things. They make me to know that engineering is very important. We can't do without engineering. So I'm telling them thank you, I'm appreciating them.